Welcome to the 12th edition of ESB Outspoken on Facebook Live with Angela and Richard Show.
Hi, how are you guys doing? We have another great question. Ange, go.
Okay, this is from Sarah in Portland. Sarah says, I've been tasked with finding a speaker who does an extended session with activities. Is this a trend you're seeing in the industry?
Yes, Sarah. It is a trend we're seeing in the industry. As a matter of fact, there's two areas that people ask about a lot. Experiential keynotes,
right,
and workshop sessions. And so I'll talk a little bit about the experiential keynote part, and then we'll roll on to Ange and she'll talk about the workshop piece. Okay. So first, to explain with experiential keynotes, basically if you want something that might provide a little more excitement, and a lot of organizations are asking for that, and maybe will help people to remember the keynote a lot better.
Right.
They're wanting to go with an experience. So when you talk about an experience, I'll give you some great examples. So for instance, Ben Nempton has his dream wall, he has the whole bucket list thing, and it really gives people that true experience. Also, Phil Hansen has the collaborative art, which people love, and Doc Henley has the water filters that they go and build actually at the event. All those things are true experiences, but what it does, as I said, is it really gives you a remembrance of what you did, and then you can really apply the lessons that have come from it. And so people are seeing those to substantially make a difference with their events. So that is the experiential piece.
Well, and I was going to add on to that. Think about when Ben Hines did his session for Cisco, and they did this song. What he did is he broke them into groups, and different groups that did parts of the song, and they did the lyrics, they did he composed it all, put it together, and they got up and actually performed the song afterwards, and they loved it, and I guarantee they won't forget that.
Oh yeah, and it was terrific, and truly it was a bonding experience for the group as well.
And they laughed, and it was such a good time. So it was fun.
Well, what about the workshop?
On the workshop, okay, that's the other side. I am seeing more and more customers ask for this. And what they're doing is they may have the keynote come in the morning and then want them to stay in the afternoon and do an extended session. And this way they can do a deeper dive, really understand what the speaker talked about in the morning, apply those principles, and they're wanting a hands-on activity. This is so big right now, is that hands-on part.
Sure.
And where they break into teams and they do something together and then discuss it afterwards and learn how they're going to take that material and use it. But I've seen that a lot. I tell you, Liz Wiseman does it and does a great job. She brings in a team with her afterwards to help with the workshop, so that they can have a certain number of people for each group and really help them with the concepts. Afterburners does a good job too, and that's really fun, breaking into groups and working on activities. So just some more that we've seen that have been very successful and really drive those principles home.
Yeah, absolutely. And when you're talking about the workshops or even the experiences, and you're a speaker, you really need to be thinking about trying to put that into your whole series of things that you offer, because just basic keynotes and breakouts are not exciting people, and they're looking for new and different things in their agendas.
Right.
And for you event planners, hey, make sure bring some excitement to your events. Bring in experience. It will truly make a difference, won't it?
It makes a big difference.
Oh, it does. So do that.
Yes.
And you be outspoken. To get more tips and see more videos, you can click on the logo in the corner and subscribe to our YouTube channel.